What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. You're with Mario and Graham, and we're doing the review of the Gilas Final 12 versus Jordan, which is on August 28th. And basically, we're just going through this all Filipino lineup that have been announced, which I'm gonna mention the 12 after this intro. Going up against a Jordan team that went 5-1 in their so far in their past six games. Now we're currently at 2-4, but caveat dun sa 5-1 is that they faced I think Iran and Syria. So is it Iran and Syria? So most more actually those are teams na what do you call this? These are teams na not in our same caliber in a way, except Iran na nakasabay, but the Syria games, kaya medyo, 'di ba? Ganun yung record nila at 5-1. But a lot to talk about. But before that, before we move on, join the Facebook group Six Man Podcast dash Benchmob for all your basketball needs. Here are ito yung final 12 natin, boys. No, let me give it here, and then we can just go through the matchup na lang if ever mga points or players na we want to mention for Jordan. For the final 12 of Gilas, let's go with Scotty Thompson, CJ Perez, 1 GDL, Chris Newsom. We got Dwight, KQ, Balti, and Troya the Wings. And then the bigs, Carl Tamayo, AJ Edu, well, Junmar, and Kai Soto are bigs. So that's our final 12. Nawala si RJ Abarientos, but basically we got the lineup correct. Si RJ lang yung tipong, di ba, yung decide tayo, will Coach Tim bring him in? But no, kasi we had the initial thought na wala si CJ. Di ba? We were thinking, wala si CJ, wala si CJ. But CJ's here. This is our final 12. No JB, obviously, for injury reasons. Do we have a shot against Jordan? And for Jordan kasi, it's not gonna be RHJ who's recovering from an Achilles injury. It's Jalen Harris. This guy averaged 27 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists per game, shot 50% from the field, 45% from 3, and 90% from the line. That's the main guy that we need to stop. And in a way, I'm scared. I feel like it's gonna be a close game. Pero sabi ng ibang tao, feel ko naman, papalag tayo. But hearing those final 12 boys, Mario then Grim, what do you think about our chances tomorrow against the Jordan national team?
I was Before I say yung chances, I want to make this comment. I don't get how CJ Perez has not. I think he played 2 games for SMB so far this year, or two or
Di ka
three,
nagulat to, he can
and
play?
he's in the like. I get it. I like. I mean, I'm okay with him being in this roster. Like he is a very good scoring punch na kailangan ng Gilas, so it's fine.
Yeah.
But I'm more surprised that he's here. Kasi he hasn't played for SMB in a while. Or I'm not sure if dun sa last game nila naglaro na siya or hindi. Pero for most of the conference, he didn't play. Same for Scotty Thompson. Um, like Scotty has barely played this conference. CJ Perez has barely played this conference. Um, as a joke, I will say Juan Gomez de Leano has barely played this conference, but that's for a different reason. Um, but I, they them being in the lineup makes sense. Yes. But I'm just really surprised that they're both here considering they both haven't been healthy. Tapos, I like the rest of the team. I like that
Not
Balti is
bad.
really I
Yeah.
like that Balti is now part of the roster a lot. Like Balti was out of the pool for out of the rotation, not pool. Actually out of the like usapan for a long time. Tapos, like, after the Tab Baldwin Gilas, parang di na siya nasama kay Coach Tim eh. So now na he's back, this is two in a row na Balti has been in the roster. I like that. I like the fact that he's been there both times. I hope he gets used naman this time. The rest of the team, it's what you expect, right? I'm
Welcome
glad.
back, Kai. Welcome back, Kai.
Welcome back, Kai. That's gonna be massive. I'm glad Juan is there because I always believed na Juan is a um shoe in for Gilas. This is Junmar's last um run with Gilas, so I'm not gonna throw any slander towards him. Um AJ Edu is AJ Edu. We love AJ Edu. Chris Newsom will probably be the guy who you will look tomorrow to defend Jalen Harris. Either him or Dwight. It would either be him or Dwight kasi masyado maliit si Scotty.
Yeah.
Um, You
And
might
coming from
also
injury
have
rin.
tsaka may chance na you might see KQ on Jalen Harris feeling ko. Kaya ni KQ eh.
Kaya nga.
Yeah,
Kiti-kiti
because
yun eh.
bro, KQ defends the imports in the KBL. So why not defend an import from Taiwan, diba? But yeah, when I first saw the 12, number one, syempre the thing that stands out is di ka lang hanap ng replacement import. Yeah, or replacement naturalized player, which uh
You're
it
still
can go
torn.
either.
Oo.
I'm a
I
little
wish they got
torn by it.
someone. I wish they got like JC. Because
I'm a
Guam is
little
in
torn.
France. Automatically wala na yun.
Yeah, Ange is in France.
May
Um,
problem pa sa papers daw. Wala pa daw sa final billing or whatever approval for both rights. So that leaves JC.
yeah, well, they had Malik Diouf, pero di mo na kailangan si Diouf pag ganito eh.
Nasa Zamboanga
Alam mo,
Valientes
Kay
ngayon, bro.
Soto ka na eh,
Nasa,
pati.
nasa
may Kai
Kadayawan
Soto ka na
Festival
eh.
siya ngayon. Si
Yeah.
Malik.
Yeah, but you don't need him in this scenario kasi
You don't need
may
him nga.
Kai Soto ka
Yeah,
na
yeah, yeah. And
and
AJ.
everything. But I'm I know na wala tayong other options at this point, friend. Actually, you do eh. You don't need them to be like you could have put in a Perkins, a Lucero if you wanted, right? Like they don't
Yeah,
need to
Basta
be
Lucero would have been
naturalized.
nice.
Lucero would have been nice. Pero I think
yeah.
it's good. Is Asian Games team. Si Save.
Totoo ba yun yung natalo ng Asian Games team? Anyway, I'll talk about that later.
Whatever. Yeah, let's go through this one.
But yeah, you don't need to get a non-Filipino. You know what I mean? You could have very easily just gone with a half-blooded Filipino or somebody na didn't get a passport or whatever for this one. Like we Remy Martin probably could have been in the discussion. He has a passport. He doesn't qualify as a local. But now would have been a time to use him, right?
Mhm.
Jason Perkins, Xavier Lucero, who else? C-Stand, would you have if C-Stand were available, would you have gone C-Stand na?
You think Coach Tim would have gone with C-Stan? No.
I think
He would
Coach
know how to use him. Pero ang
I
tanong,
think Coach
game ba
Tim
si
misses
C-Stand?
C-Stand. Or what's this called? C-Stand. Not Stanley
Actually,
Pringle anymore, right?
actually Malonzo
Wala
would
na.
have been nice.
Jamie's a local. Jamie's
I
local.
know.
Oo nga.
Yeah, that's why,
Nice
you
lang daw
know,
sana.
mas madali sana. But yeah, I get you. You're mentioning pala people who didn't secure passport, no?
Yeah. That's why. So like, I'm surprised that they didn't even try to get one of those. Yung mga hindi ka sure kung pwede pero like kay Manny Ladi or yun nga Zave, I don't know, other a lot of other names who you aren't Kalen Johnson. Diba we aren't also sure who
Oh,
if he
yeah.
has a passport or whatever. Yun yung sinasabi ko na I would have preferred they got a replacement. Pero hindi naman yung replacement na sobrang layo. Kaya pwede naman yung replacement na nasa PBA na eh. Alam mo yun? That's just how I saw it.
Okay. That makes sense, but yeah, short turnaround time eh. Parang kailan lang in-announce na wala si Brownlee? Monday? Parang ganun, di ba? Or last
Here's
week
the
or
thing,
early this week? Pero alam niya na yun ahead of time,
alam na
eh, di
nila
ba?
yun eh. Come on,
Alam na
man.
nila yun. Laro na kay Coach Shim, sasabihin niya yun.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
And it doesn't make sense na they wouldn't know it. Like JB hasn't arrived in like a 2 week span. Obviously, at that point, it means you probably won't be using him, right? So, yeah. There are people who are gonna say na okay lang na walang import so you can see a full local lineup. I get that. I agree. It is exciting to see a full local lineup for the first time, but again, there was an opportunity to bring in a
JC talaga yung
local import. You know what I mean? Like yeah, or JC. I doubt they would have gone JC though. I don't feel like you'd pay JC for this one, in all honesty.
Qualifiers? Pang World Cup siya, no? Yung
You wouldn't
what he
pay
can do.
JC for a qualifier. Mahal yun,
Yeah,
man. Mahal
yeah.
yung qualifier.
Plus, he's an NBA champion. Like the price just went up, you know. Like,
Yeah, that's why.
yeah. Been a while since we played without an import or naturalized player, you know. Since Doubt since Blatch, and now Justin Brown. I can't remember the last time now we did play na walang naturalized player. But good thing is nasa bahay tayo. So we got the support of the crowd, we got the familiarity, walang time
Yeah.
zone difference, walang, first of all, I don't think it rains this hard in Jordan. And I think it will rain hard tomorrow. So that may be a factor. But the lineup itself is, I'm happy. I think this is the best lineup that they could have put together. If there's one guy that I would have replaced, siguro si Balti with a different guy. Um, and I'm thinking right now kung sino. Pero the lineup itself is okay. Mario, Nico, we were debating, di ba, if RJ dapat nung magsama sila ni Juan, dapat hindi, di ba? One of them
Oo.
should be in. Pun intended, one of them is in, and that is one. Uh, pero I think that's the better choice, di ba? One has shown sa New Zealand game that international basketball suits him better than RJ so far. Not saying that
True.
RJ won't get there. Pero yung guard mo, solid na yan eh. One is not a lousy defender. Newsome is a great defender. Perez is a good defender. Scotty is an excellent defender.
Yeah.
So, doon pa lang sa guards mo, di ba? Yung rotation mo kay Jalen Harris, may hirapan na siya. You have 4 guys who can give up fouls and 4 guys who actually do not give up a lot of fouls. Tapos andyan pa si Dwight, si KQ. So, I'm confident with this lineup na we have a very good chance. Hindi ito yung, naku, wala tayo, import, yari tayo. Against Jordan specifically, hindi rin naman sila ganun katangkad. They only have 2 guys above 6'11". Excuse me, yung Alduairi, tsaka yung Shire, si Mohamed Shire. So other than that, Kai Soto is taller than everyone. But I think this is the game where Junmar can use his height. Kasi he's
Actually.
taller than,
Mm.
10 of the 12 people sa roster ng Jordan. So, and it's also fitting na ito na yung last game niya that
Last game or
I will be
or
able.
baka last
Last 2 games.
last.
Yeah, last 2 games.
Yeah.
But this
Not
is last
game.
window. But, we'll be able to use him. I think our guys are more athletic than them, especially in Big Sky and AJ. So, and even Balti. So, I like the lineup. I like the lineup. When I saw the lineup kanina pagising ko, I was happy. It brought a smile in my face. Really, like, pag gumising ka na nakangiti. Yeah, that's it. I think we have a chance of we have a good chance of beating them. We have to be the favorites, right? Ahead of this game.
You wanna
Not
find out?
favorites. Ano ba, Mario? Are we the favorites? Can you check kung
Let's
favorites
find
na
out
ba tayo?
together. Let's find out together, bro.
Let's figure it out. Let me get my phone.
With no JB? Kasi yung Jalen Harris yung nakakatakot, bro. May pagka Bryce Cotton vibes.
Hindi, men. Malayo.
Malayo si Bryce Cotton.
Malayo.
Nico also said that nung last time. Like,
Oh,
Jalen Harris is Bryce
Cotton.
Cotton.
Parang Bryce Cotton. Iba kasi yung trauma ni Bryce Cotton eh.
Malayo.
Ayun ba talaga yun?
Trauma yan. That's trauma talking, bro.
Jalen Harris. Kasi not a lot of teams use imports anymore. Aside from like yung mga laylayan na I guess you can go, how do I say this? Hindi siya Bryce Cotton eh. Yung Bryce Cotton kasi wala kang magagawa dun eh. Alam mo yun? Like, he will get to his spot. He will figure it out. Yung kay Jalen Harris, magagawan mo ng paraan yun eh. I'm trying to
Okay.
think of I can compare him to na import of another national.
Country.
Yeah, but I can't. I'm kind of blanking on it because I don't really know a lot of the other imports. Like Iran.
I mean, you can compare it sa PBA. Is he like Justin Brownlee?
Play style.
No, I mean yung impact na parang, wala akong magagawa dyan. He's gonna take you home.
What I'll say is in the league he plays in Taiwan, he was the guy who would take the shots. Yun.
Okay.
He was the guy who would take the shots. He was.
I think even dito, di ba? Sa Jordan national team. He's that guy.
Si Ibrahim takes a good amount of shots also. Like,
Pero si Ibrahim's more of their playmaker.
yeah.
He's like their sino to again yung sa Lebanon? but a notch lower. Pinag-usapan natin isang araw.
Arakji.
It's like Arakji, but 70%
Mm.
Arakji.
I
Right?
would
70-75% Wael Arakji.
Yeah, mga
Si
ganun. But
Freddie Ibrahim.
yung kay Jalen Harris, you can say he's like I guess
70% Cotton? 70%.
I think George King is as close as I can get
George
to.
King. Na less bulky.
Okay.
Na less bulky.
Yeah, like more of a George King type of player. I think I'm trying to think if I have a better comparison somewhere out there. Pero parang wala eh. Parang I can't think of another one na I'm very
It's okay. It's okay.
He's not like a McCullough type na matangkad na na magdodomina both inside and out. He's just really like a perimeter mid-range, he'll drive
Like
once in
Janty Miller.
Wow,
Janty. What a
No, I mean,
pull.
you know,
I really don't know who I can give you a proper. But I would just say probably George King is as best as I can go. Kasi diba George King di naman siya like dominant inside presence. He's more of he'll hit a mid-range, he'll hit a fadeaway, he'll hit a three, he'll hit threes.
So all-around scorer.
Yeah.
yeah, parang si si Lofton pala, isa Meralco. Tira lang na tira, gano'n. Sa labas.
Yeah, but Lofton was a guard. Like he was a point guard.
Yeah, ano.
It's like a 50% Jordan Clarkson. I don't know, man. It's hard for me to give you a.
Really hard talaga, really hard.
Anyway,
Shorter
we have the
Clarkson.
guards to
Yung
defend
Loftus
him.
like 6'1", 6'2 lang eh.
I'm trying to think of. I really can't find a good comparison right now. But yeah, and then the other guys you.
Basta
you
scorer siya, efficient scorer siya in the first round.
Scorer
Sorry,
And
it's
90% from the
Iraq
line.
and Syria, not Iran. So yung 5-1 record nila, take
That
it with a grain
doesn't
of salt.
That doesn't speak a lot sa 5-1.
Yeah,
record,
malayo
you know?
yung Iraq sa Iran. Iran is...
Yeah, I know. I mean, yeah, basketball-wise, geographically yung katabi sila.
Thank you,
Watch
Graham.
you. Kaya,
That was very insightful of you, Graham.
Sabi kasi wala raw isip-isip eh, kaya...
Yeah.
Graham reads the comments and he takes it personally.
Yes, we read the comments. Sometimes we just don't reply.
Just don't reply.
Anyway, yeah.
Unless you like really piss somebody off, like we won't reply.
Unless you did the Mitch Asuncion.
Oh wow, this guy.
Oh, what a pool. Ito yung mga OG listeners lang, by the way.
Bro,
Pero parang
there was
dumating sa'yo yung
a-
Graham. Hindi pa dumating
There
kanina.
was an era, bro, when Graham would reply to every hate comment he got.
Ngayon he's like, doesn't phase him
Yeah.
anymore.
Alala ko yun, yung
I just reply right now with the tissue link from Shopee, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only thing I do. But yeah,
They're scarier with RH Dade than they are with Jalen Harris. Yun yun.
oo naman.
Oo. Iba yung
That's why
RSJ.
kung wala tayong import, wala tayong naturalized player, I'm not that. I don't feel like wala tayong chance. Alam mo yun? Dati pag wala tayong naturalized player, ano na yun eh. Like, you give it up.
Yeah. Kahit sino kalaban, no?
Oh, well, not man kahit sino.
Yeah, I mean, sa SEA Games, of course, ganun pa rin.
But like, ito, kahit wala tayong naturalized player, I'm not scared of Jordan. I do think they are a threat, obviously. Dude! Jalen Harris, do you know the former import of Jordan, si Dar Tucker?
Si Dar Tucker?
Dar Tucker, they're pretty similar. Mas skilled si Jalen Harris. Mas skilled si Jalen Harris, pero they're pretty similar, I would say. I think
Okay.
that's mas offensively gifted si Jalen Harris. Pero they play basically the same way. I would say. I think. Yeah. I think that's my best way of saying it. Then on a normal occasion I'd worry about Alduairi, but I'm not worried about Alduairi. There's a reason Kai Soto's
Traditional big.
Yeah.
If we had no Kai Soto, sige, I might worry. Kasi AJ's not the tallest guy in the world. Junmar's not the tallest guy in the world either. Pero when you have Kai, he solves a lot of your defensive problems. Ibrahim is Ibrahim. Yung problema mo lang, I know they have another guy na medyo okay. Yung Olajuwon. I think his name's Olajuwon.
Yeah, anak yun yung di ba? Ni Hakim.
Hindi. Gago. Talaga ba?
No,
Yeah,
oh my
he's a son. No, yeah.
Hakim Olajuwon's son.
Ikaw.
Yeah.
Tama
Oh.
ba yan?
Yeah, Abdul Olajuwon.
No, that's
And Hakim.
Aziz Olajuwon is the son of
So
Hakim
just
Olajuwon.
because Olajuwon, you just... Or
What do you
you're
mean? He
backed up
can only
by
have one
data.
son? He has 4 sons.
Oo nga,
Yes,
pero... Talaga?
Yeah,
Jordan
he's
yan?
the son of Olajuwon.
Abdullah Olajuwon is the son of Hakeem. You're
Oh,
right.
wow. Nice one, Graham. Okay.
I
There
thought
you
you were.
go.
But then
No,
he's also okay. I know he's also okay.
Ilang beses na kasi
he's
tayo
okay.
na-troll ni Graham eh. Kaya parang medyo duda na ako lagi. May trust issues ako kay Graham eh.
But yeah, he's the son, you know.
My only thing is yung Hakeem Olajuwon, yung
Abdullah.
Abdullah Olajuwon.
Gusto ko si Hakim.
He was the second or maybe third, something like that. But the third, fourth, fifth best player dun sa Jordan roster during the
Okay.
Jones Cup yun ah.
Uh-huh.
It's the Jones Cup, you know what I mean? So like he's okay. But you're really only worried about the three guys here if you ask me. Like those are the ones that talagang medyo matatakot ka. But yeah, the chances we have 76%.
So 75% mananalo tayo.
76 ako. Malaki.
Yeah, I'm also around that 70 to 75% percentage. I really hope. Actually, no, that's a bad thing to say. But we have the advantage talaga eh, when it comes to being at home. Of course, when you're at home, you know, there are some times na you get the favorable calls. I'm not saying that we get that a lot, pero the fact that we're at home and we have Kai Soto is big, literally and figuratively. If there's one guy na pwedeng maging Ruben Terangi sa atin because, you know, Ruben Terangi has forever
Ruben.
left a scar in my heart. You know, that New Zealand game, those New Zealand games. Si Abu Hawas, he's a good shooter. He plays like yung siguro mga if I can describe para mga Trevor Ariza ganun, yung corner three and then he'll defend on the other side. Parang ganun, Trevor Ariza, Shane Battier kind of play. Yeah, you have to keep an eye on him sa corner kasi that's where he lives.
Would we call Abu Hawas a better Rome De La Rosa?
Oo naman, man. Oh, yeah. Actually,
Such a low bar, Rom De La Rosa.
Yeah,
he's Rome De La Rosa.
He's playing like, you know, Stephen Holt when Stephen Holt is like 70-80% capacity. Alam mo yun, yung pag Stephen Holt is offensive-minded, titira siya sa corner. That's how he plays like. Without, of course, I think Stephen Holt's a better defender. But yeah, he's a good shooter, si Hawas. If you leave him open. I mean, anyone can shoot if you leave him open. Pero with the lineup that they have, may iwan talaga siya sa corner. So you better keep an eye on that guy. Si Abu Hawas. By the way, that Hawas, you know, perfume, I don't know if you guys smelled it. Doesn't smell good. I don't know why people keep on blazing that.
Oh.
Yeah, that's just, you know, because I collect perfumes. It doesn't smell good. Pero,
fraghead. You what they call the fraghead ka. Fraghead.
Yeah, I'm a fraghead. But yeah, that guy and Olajuwon. Olajuwon is, you know, I'll keep an eye on this guy kasi you'll never know. Yeah, you'll never know. I mean,
you know,
you chat. Check the chat. Check the chat.
Yeah,
oh my God.
You can't not have the skills of your dad, right? like your dad's current NBA players, to a certain extent, you probably had an experience with your dad na rin of him trading.
Oh naman.
Yeah, so I get that point of it. But my God, I don't know. I'm pretty chill with this. I would be sad if we lost, but I wouldn't be like, oh my God, we were upset by Jordan. Di ako magaganon. Alam mo yun? Like if we lost to who are we going up against sa second game?
Iran.
Iran ba yung I'm so confused, dude.
Iran, bro.
It's Iran. Sorry, it's confusing rin naman talaga minsan.
Actually, it's not. Yeah.
We're on the same side, di ba?
Yeah, okay, it's confusing.
Yeah.
He just wants to, you know,
He just wants to contra us, no? Hindi kami yung kaaway mo, Graham.
Okay, got it. Who knows? That may have been Mario commented na hindi ako nag-iisip.
Yung strip niya lang manira, no?
Yeah.
Anyway, oh,
So, but I think we should win, but I won't be like that
oh,
surprised.
Iran nga, it's Iran. Next is Iran.
I would be.
Jordan.
Yeah.
Hindi, wala rin ma-import yung Iran eh. I don't know. It feels like a window we can win.
Oh
2-0.
yeah,
You can sweep.
Yeah,
we
it feels
can
like
With
sweep. We
JB,
can.
no doubt. With JB, no doubt. With Benny, no doubt. This makes it more interesting.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
what I was
it
gonna
makes
say.
it all the more mas gusto pa manood kasi all
Mm-hmm.
Pinoy.
Yeah. That's why yung mga scalper times 3 na yung benta ngayon eh.
Talaga?
Against,
All
yeah.
Filipino tapos ano? Oh,
Kai Soto is
question.
back kasi.
So since JB is out, who do you think will be our primary scorer? Or wala, it's gonna be equal. Do you think KQ steps or do you think Juan GDL gets more extended minutes? Yun yung ano ko eh, parang Dwight's usually a good secondary scorer. He gives you 10 to 12 a game. But I feel like Kai, baka dumaan sa kanya yung opensa. You'll never know eh. Pwede rin KQ could give you 20.
The answer,
You have,
the answer is Carl Tamayo.
That's your guy, Carl Tamayo, for tomorrow.
Tamayo, brother.
yeah, so let's have a little fun conceding top scorer tomorrow. No?
Yeah, but don't be
You-
the
you-
obvious ones, bro. Have fun with it, man.
what? There's an obvious one?
Yeah, is there not an obvious one? Obvious, guys. He's 7 foot
Yeah.
tall. Of course,
Okay,
it's
Kai
obvious.
Soto. Yeah, I know. All right, I mean, outside of him, of course.
Justin
Can I
Baltazar.
explain why I believe it's Carl Tamayo?
Yeah, go
I-
explain. I want to know why.
I believe the one person who does not get a chance to play because of Justin Brownlee is
Carl
Carl.
Tamayo. Actually, that's good.
Oo nga,
Tama
no.
ka.
That's the
That
reason.
makes sense.
Because Carl Tamayo needs the ball. He's not a Kevin Kiambao na running off screens, catch and shoot 3-point guy. No. Carl Tamayo is give me the ball, I'll take a mid-range jumper, I'll post you up, something like that. Hindi siya yung caliber ni KQ na kaya niyang tumakbo and tumira. Si Carl is set shot, 3-pointer, pasok, post-up game, mid-range, drive, ganon. So with JB out, this is Carl's chance to really, because, diba, let's be honest, dude. KQ has been running away with the.
Malayo.
He's been running away with the Carl KQ debate. Diba? There was a,
It was close nung pinag-uusapan natin.
There was a
Before-
time.
before
There was a time.
KQ went to Korea, it was close. It was like that, dude. Then when KQ went to Korea, he went astronomical. Right? This is, I believe, Carl's chance. Kasi KQ's been able to show his game on the international stage, diba? Like, he's been a proven na, okay, panggilas talaga ako and I can deliver sa Gilas. We saw it in Saudi Arabia. We saw it in New Zealand. Kayang-kaya niya talaga gumawa. Si Carl has had flashes, pero hasn't had that game or that moment. Right? So, now na walang JB, this is when I feel like Carl has that chance to actually do that. And that's why I'm saying that I believe it could be Carl who plays really well tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna make the gap bigger. KQ. KQ, go away with it.
Alright.
Yeah, it's a
Me when
I think KQ. What?
I'm not surprised by what you choose.
Yeah, it's the exact opposite of what you said. You know, if Mario says it will rain, I'll wash my car. You know, that's how it goes. Him and me. But yeah, I think KQ is the guy that tomorrow will be talk of the town. Ooh, KQ had 16 points and 4 3-pointers. Mga ganun. I think he can be that guy. But yeah, 70% win percentage. I'm fine with that.
Who's yours? Who's yours?
Me? Nico.
Nico. I don't care about yours. I asked him.
Sorry, what's your question?
Who's your top scorer?
Yeah, that guy. Will be that guy for you.
Juan. Feel ko si Juan. Magugulat na lang tayo. Juan gives you. Pero, top scorer siya, pero yung next leading scorer will have like 1 point less lang than him. Mga ganun. It's not gonna be a overwhelming, yeah. Like how JB, when he's a top scorer, ang laki ng gap from the next one.
Oh yeah. Game 6 against TNT, he had 51. Next guy had 8.
Who's HD?
Kabubura ko lang ng picture nun sa cellphone. I don't know, Troy Rosario ata. I forgot.
Troy.
By the way, Troy
With
Rosario
ankle
is here
injury.
again. Troy Rosario is here again, di ba?
He did it again.
He did it again.
He
Whoops.
defied the odds. Just when we thought he can only play overseas. Nope. Nope. He's also good domestically.
Hey man, I'm not gonna lie to you. Troy could have a major role tomorrow. Kasi
Yeah.
alam mo yung problema sa mga teams na kagaya ng Jordan. Pag tinakbuhan mo yan, wala na yan, men. Bagal-bagal nung Dwyer, pati nung isa eh. Like, and Troy, what's Troy's favorite thing to do, diba? Rim
Rim
run galore.
runner, yeah.
So, he has a chance. He's not gonna be the top scorer. If he is, oh my god, I'm gonna go insane.
Yeah.
But he's not far. I think he has a good chance of making a impact on the game tomorrow.
I know. Troy Rosario. It would be nice if he gets a couple of baskets, But yeah, we'll win. We'll win tomorrow. I guarantee the sweep. That's without learning that JB's not playing. I don't
Are you
care.
doubling down on it? Are you doubling down on it?
We're at home. Yeah, I'm doubling down on it. KFC doubled down on it. Yeah, KFC double down is really good.
Yeah. Have you
It's
had
good.
it?
I just had it.
Oh, okay. It's good, man.
Yeah. A lot of brands we mentioned today. But
You guys know what we do. We ask.
Yeah.
We've been pretty adamant asking for what we
Yeah.
want.
yeah. All right. We win tomorrow. I'd say final score is
Y'all.
but the final score is Mario.
We're gonna do that. We're gonna give final score. Hirap naman nun.
Not leading scorer. I want to know who your X factor is tomorrow. Not leading scorer.
X Factor.
Still take you.
Mine's Carl. X Factor, di ba?
Yeah, X factor. Mine, actually, who's mine's Chris Newsome, I think.
Oh yeah, if he
Hindi
can
ko
hold down
kayang
Jalen Harris, yeah.
If Chris can limit either Jalen Harris or Freddie Ibrahim, we will win. So I think
Comfortably.
basta
if ma-
matanggal ni Chris yung kahit isa doon, I believe it. Then you want to do score pred? You want to score pred?
Yeah, I say Gilas wins by 6. 88-82.
I think Gilas wins by 9.
Gilas wins
So you
by
just do
4.
the opposite of what I said, like because 6 is opposite of 9.
Para compliment yun.
This guy is just going against you everything. Okay. All right. 88-82 for me. I have a feeling that score will hit.
Noted. So what do you think?
What do you think the final score will be?
Yeah, I
What
gotta
is the
use-
margin?
Let's go.
95 Gilas, 91 Jordan.
Okay. That
Who hits
sounds
the shot then, Nico?
I'm
Who
sorry.
hits the shot?
What do you mean?
Who hits the shot to be like the dagger? Something.
The dagger.
Who
Juan
hits the shot?
Gomez Deliano. Corner 3 or wing 3 again.
Okay.
If it's that
I'm a
point,
big fan of one.
I think the dagger is the alley-oop to Kai Soto. I think that's the dagger.
It'll be heartbreaking if we're down 76-63 with 3 minutes to go. Like everything we talk about.
Okay, I've got it.
All right. Nico, say your outro, man. I have to work.
I gotta use the bathroom.
All right. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. Follow us on Radio, Spotify, like, subscribe on YouTube. Go Gilas. Hope we win. And see you guys next time. Peace. Oh, see you guys
Amigos,
post-game. We might invite a special guest na hindi mo namin sasabihin. Bahala na kung gising siya.
Yeah.
Bye.
Adios, amigos.